Can you believe this? Some of the eggs on the market aren't even from chickens. They're made in small factories. In certain rural workshops, workers don't raise hens at all. Instead, they make fake eggs in just minutes. The process is shocking. They use a clear chemical liquid to copy the egg white, then mix another liquid to look and feel like a yolk. The yolk goes into a mold, more egg white is poured around it, and they can even fake tiny air bubbles. The shell is even crazier. They press calcium powder into the shape of an eggshell, brush on glue, and stick it all together. The final product looks, weighs, and even feels just like the real thing. The scariest part, when you crack it, you hear the same click: fry it, boil it, scramble it. Almost no difference in taste or texture. Most people can't tell at all, which means you might be eating chemicals without knowing. Each egg takes less than 5 minutes to make, so they can mass produce them fast. This is the so-called high imitation food scam. People spend real money, get fake eggs, and risk their health. So remember, don't be fooled by cheap, perfect-looking eggs. Always buy from trusted sources. Because in this scam, saving a little money could cost you your health.